This is what it is like where I live. I am making this video while I'm walking, well, because I saw a video that my friend Eddie uploaded yesterday, and it is basically summer there. It is summer there. And he is calling it spring, and I'm like, that is friggin' summer. And here it is uber winter, and yeah, this is amazing. So, this is me with my new camera. Going to a friend's place to watch Twin Peaks and bake and have dinner and stuff. Going to the bus now. So, bye from cold and wintry Sweden. This is our spring. Sunny, not just bright, it's actual sun. You can see the sun. And the snow is melting and the rooftops are dripping and it's beautiful.